In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pendrive to Philips Android TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect a pendrive or a USB flash drive to your Philips Android TV and how to properly watch the content inside of it. So all that you have to do to connect it is to look at the ports, usually on the back or below your TV, and you will be able to find the USB port available. So basically, any Philips TV model will have a USB port. All that you have to do is plug the USB pen drive or flash drive into it. Immediately upon plugging it in, it should be detected by the TV and you will be able to access its contents, including video files, photos, and so on. So once the USB flash drive was inserted, see if you are able to select it from the TV. You can go over to your media if you browse through all of the options, and it is going to appear here. Usually there's also going to be a notification telling you that the USB drive was detected. Now, if you are able to navigate through the files, watch videos, and so on, then you are good to go. But if it doesn't work, then what I recommend is that you go over to the Play Store and you download VLC. VLC is going to make it much easier to watch any sort of photos or videos that you have. So by downloading VLC, you will be able to watch anything that you have on your USB flash drive. So open VLC, and in here you will be able to browse through various folders and storage devices. So as you can see, you will have the internal storage, you can browse through network, you can find the USB stick that you connected, and so on. Just choose the option to watch your photos, videos, and the entirety of your media from here, and you will be able to use the pen drive on your Samsung Smart TV. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Pendrive to Philips Android TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.